Well, today's Thursday, July 21st. A little update. This is an odd middle of the week kind of update for me, but I wanted to talk a little bit about the bike and the S&P 500, honestly. But I'm gonna flip you around real. So I've put a voltmeter on this bike because I've been having so many. I've had 2 repairs in 8 days on it, and it's been frustrating. But as you can see right now, 12.6 doesn't look bad, right? So you saw how that went over 18 volts. Oh, I still love this bike. Just makes me sick. I think it's at the end. But that's way too many volts. What that means to me is the stator and or the regulator are bad. These bikes are known for charging system problems, specifically 89. This is a 90, so I was kind of surprised that it had this problem, but I've already replaced the battery. I've already fixed all the wiring that grounded it out that probably caused all these issues from some amateur wiring person that did the battery last. But anyway, long story short, I wanted to give you an update before the weekend. I have a stator and a regulator, or a voltage rectifier, VRR it's called, voltage regulator rectifier, coming for this bike. Gosh knows how many pieces of plastic I'm gonna have to take off to do this, because the stator's, if the stator's bad, it's inside it's on the side of an engine case. Anyway, I've got Saturday. It's supposed to be crummy weather. Maybe I'll do it in the garage. And I reached out to the eBay guy I bought the parts from and said, hey, I really need this weekend. I'm trying to promote this YouTube video, so please subscribe, like, even though I'm in a bind with my old bike. Here, let me reverse. I'm pointing. You could probably talk to me with the bike in the background, like, I want my bike to work. Anyway, so hopefully that'll get here by Saturday. If so, boy, it's a lot of work. Probably a couple hours, man. I mean, hours. Probably a full day to just look at all the fairings on that bike. To just take all those fairings off to get to what I need is going to be excruciating. So anyway, just a quick update. Please like and subscribe, because I'm buying stuff to keep this YouTube video alive. I hopefully will have this bike back on the road. I'll do a stock update on the weekend regardless, but it might have to be a desktop one. I hope not. I can ride the bike like it is, but I know I'm frying the battery while I'm doing it, and who knows what else I'm going to blow. I hope fuses and not parts, but I'm going to be delicate till I get that other stuff in. Anyway, thanks for watching, and sorry for the disappointing update, but I'll talk a little bit about stocks. Tesla had results last night. It actually missed on one of the lines and did quite well, which is happy for me because I bought it really cheap. When we bottomed out earlier in the market, I bought into Tesla really good. Otherwise, S&P not doing a ton today. Things a little flat. We'll see how the day ends. It's just a day update here. I'm not going to get into big macro stuff or anything like that. I just wanted to kind of say, hey, I'm watching. We've been on a little bit of a bear rally here. A nice little rip. Makes my longs look good for a couple days. But I'm actually hitting the tops of a bunch of patterns. So it's either going to pull back or break my patterns. And if it pulls back, that's kind of what I expect. But if it breaks the patterns, we're on a rip your face off bear rally coming. So hold on, and maybe even a bottoming process. I worry, and I asked the group if institutional would front load a bottoming process, knowing they might lose like 3, 4, 5, 10% to gain that 22% probably on the next year reversal. And I got a bunch of I don't knows, which I thought was odd, and maybe I should just do my own research on that. But I don't know if you have any thoughts on that. Please add them. I'm just curious. Been watching the gammas and stuff, and as far as the options data, and that's just nothing jumping at me. So I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something. It is beautiful summertime, and we're gonna have. It's hot here, man. I'm sure everywhere everybody's watching, it's hot, but it's humid too, and I don't want to wish my summer away because I want to ride on that machine. So they better get me my parts by Saturday. Okay, talk to you. Whoops, sorry about that. Talk to you later.